Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. So today we're back on the road. Haven't done a driving video for a while, so welcome back to the channel, guys, and thanks for all the support, all the views, all the subscribers. So we're taking a drive down Hagley Park Road, just observing the finished road, or the almost finished roadway. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe so that you can see more of contents like this, and remember to like this video, share, and leave a comment as well in terms of what you think about the roadway. So we're on Hagley Park Road. It's almost 100% completion. We see the final layer of asphalt is here. We see the street lights are up. In most cases there are stoplights as well. Most of the sidewalk is also complete. So just take a drive with me down Hagley Park Road, and if you want to donate to the channel just to improve and increase the quality of the videos as well, all that information is in the description. So we see another stoplight installed here. Alright, so we're heading to 3 miles, so we're now in the vicinity of Waltham Park Road. We're at that intersection, Waltham Park and Hagley Park. So as I mentioned, most of the roadway is complete. It's just some polishing up touches, just a few touches they're doing now. See a lot of traffic coming from Portmore. Alright guys, so I'll be ending the video shortly. So again, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Definitely like, comment and share. And remember, you have some options to donate to the channel if you choose. So see you on that next video. Again, it's Hagley Park Road, or just taking a drive down Hagley Park Road.